Bollywood actress Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra made headlines on July 19 when he was arrested by the Mumbai crime branch in a case involving the making and publishing of pornographic content. He was produced before court the next afternoon and has been remanded to police custody till July 23rd. Here's taking a look at all the details about the controversial porn production case. Raj Kundra's involvement. His name emerged when the cops were probing a case registered with the Crime Branch Mumbai in February 2021 about the creation of pornographic films. Apparently, pornographic content was being shot at some bungalows in Mud Island, and the same was made available on mobile apps by two companies. Raj Kundra allegedly supplied the content to his brother-in-law's firm. Raj Kundra's controversial Hot Shots app. Kundra, who is named as the key conspirator in the case, got his company to stream the porn videos through the Hot Shots app. Reportedly, the app was banned by Apple and Google Play Store for its content. The app reportedly claims to have some of the hottest models and celebrities globally in exclusive photos, short films, and hot videos. Raj Kundra has said that he sold Hot Shots for $25,000 in 2019. Is Shilpa Shetty involved? So far, the police officials haven't found any evidence about her. Joint Commissioner of Police Milind Bharambe shared in a statement, "We have not been able to find any active role of Shilpa Shetty yet. We are investigating." Raj Kundra's brother-in-law Pradeep Bakshi involvement.
ये केंद्रीय कंपनी के ओनर जो है ये राज कुंद्रा इनके ब्रदर इन लॉ ही है और इस केंद्रीय कंपनी का ऐप है जो कि हॉट शॉट्स इस नाम से चलता था। इस हॉट शॉट्स पे ये जो भी कंटेंट क्रिएट किया जाता था ये कंटेंट राज कुंद्रा और केंद्रीय की कंपनी खरीदती थी और उसको पब्लिश करती थी हॉट शॉट्स नाम के ऐप के जरिए।
Gehenna Vashisht connection to the porn film case. Vashisht was arrested in this case some months back and is currently out on bail. She stated that she has worked as an actress in 3 films produced by Raj Kundra's app and that none of those movies were porn movies. However, according to a report on TOI, Umesh Kamar, a former employee of Raj, has been accused of uploading at least 8 pornographic and obscene videos shot by the actress on the app. Sagarika Shona Suman's allegation against Kundra. She says she was lured and coerced by Raj Kundra and his associates allegedly to join the adult film industry. She claims she was asked to appear for a nude audition over a call attended by 3 unidentified people.